Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out.
People or a marriage wherein couples continue to pray, they would last forever. Why? In this union, when God is involved, the impossible becomes possible.
I was gonna spend my life with you.
To my wife, we are finally at the start of our new journey. 9 years that I won't trade with any other. But before we start, I stand before you not just as your partner, but your #1 fan, your fiercest protector.
Forever and ever and always. From this day on.
9 years, 5 months, and 9 days ago. The day I will never forget. The day I took the chance to turn our friendship something more. The day we officially started our love story.
I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad.
You are my home, my greatest adventure. And from this day forward, I choose you again and again in every moment for all days of my life. I love you.
No matter where life takes us, you will always be my home. I promise to continue to love and choose you, then, now, and always. I love you so much, and I can't wait to spend forever with you. Love you.
For worse or for better, I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Ang haba ng hair. Extension yan.
Nag-start as friends. Same school kami since grade school. Then, naging best friends. Then, naging kami ng 2016.
Back home.
Ayun na yung kinakakaba ko ng mga nakarang araw, umuulan.
Watching, counting every sunset.
Tinry ko siyang ligawan actually 2 times. Kaso medyo natakot ako nung una. Kasi alam mo naman, baka masira yung friendship. And then, nung tinuloy ko na siya nung mga way back 2016, pinayagan na niya ako. And hopefully, andito na kami ngayon after 9 years.
Puro hints kasi siya without directly nagsasabi. Tapos, wala, parang feeling ko kasi comfortable kami sa, yun talaga yung sa akin. Comfortable kami sa isa't isa. In the end, alam namin na dadating dun sa point na yun. Right time lang din talaga. And sa tingin naman namin is ito na yun.
They say distance makes the heart go fonder.
Waki daw. Waki daw.
Kairita to si Nikki.
Waki.
The memories we're gonna make when I'm back home. When I'm back home. When I'm back home.
Nagkaroon ako ng comfort with Ash. Hindi, ang hirap kasi hanapin nun sa iba, kahit kaibigan mo. Yes, siyempre close kami as friends, pero iba pa rin kasi nung naging kami, mas naging pabebe ako sa kanya, tabihan.
Hindi siya hinanap. Dumating lang siya, and yung pagdating na yun is, it's a gift. I never had a dream wedding. But somewhere along those years, I just knew that this day would come. That it would be you waiting for me at the altar. loving me the way you do, for being the most gentleman and kind person to those deserving.
See you later. Sana wag mo ako paiyakin. At medyo naiyak na ako ngayon. Enjoy lang tayo mamaya. Ayun lang naman importante ron. Sa atin dalawa naman to.
In this life, time takes away. You got to know that today is your day. Got me feeling so free. I feel so free. Got me feeling so free. Lifting me up, yeah, I'm gonna fly away.